Yeah, it's a big topic. So, what are some reasons that one parent gets sole custody, right? No overnights over a child. And you got to think extreme on these things. So, when it comes to me, when I think of it, I think of parent is an addict, parent is an alcoholic, and is not in recovery. Just because you have something in your past that is bad doesn't mean that you're a bad parent. So if you have mental health issues and perhaps that someone in the past was had suicidal ideations, right? So if you say to someone, I want to kill myself, and you are doing so and you say those things or even have an overt act about trying to kill yourself, that's a mental health piece or something along those lines. And if you then get therapy, and if you get on medication afterwards, you've effectively neutralized that bad fact. Now you're going to have to continue to do those things and stay in therapy and stay on meds, but that's a big difference from I in the past had suicidal ideations, typically related to some mental health issue, alcohol, drugs, history of abuse in your past, like things like that are certainly give us the ability to restrict parenting time. That's sole custody. If you're in the same situation and you've rehabilitated yourself, or if you had effective counsel that saw the case and saw that it wasn't a case that you're going to push forward, but you're going to rehabilitate and then come back up, you're going to rise back up, then those are cases that you would have been restricted. You probably wouldn't, you were going to be viewed as endangering or creating imminent harm for your child, but you rectified it. As long as you constantly keep doing those things that are preventing or making sure that you are not posing a risk, mental health, emotional damage to your child, then it's very limited when you're going to have sole custody. A lot of times too is, there's deeper pieces here too. There's deeper pieces with sole custody. So, and especially as children get older, they're going to have more of a voice and they're going to have the ability to kind of have their own opinions. So if you have a situation where kids just don't want to be with you, right? Or they don't want to be with the other parent because of years of just being belittled or emotionally drained. I mean, all of these things happen. They don't happen in a vacuum. You're coming to these cases with baggage, and you got to extricate that baggage from these pieces and make sure that you're fostering love and affection for the other party. I mean, so there's so many other pieces that come into play, but typically imminent harm and endangerment. Those are the times and the pieces in which you're going to have one party have sole custody. Not necessarily permanently, but certainly in the short term. And that's where oftentimes temporary orders come into place or come into play. And then we're starting to look at experts, child and family investigators, or parental responsibility evaluators. That's when you have third parties investigating the best interests of the child or children.